Today we will reach a huge milestone for the Chevy van build. And I'm talking like properly huge. It's actually time for paint. But before that I have to do a whole lot of sanding, so it's a good thing I have this. My BFS, Big F***ing Sander. That might not be exactly how the sanding went down. This might be a bit more accurate. And the BFS, that's actually called a burnishing machine. And it's super aggressive when removing paint, but it leaves the metal untouched. So it's perfect for the paint that some previous owner decided to put on this van with a roller. It was really rough. I hate sanding just as much as you do, so I will just speed through it. After I was done with the BFS, I continued with the 120 grit on a DA sander. I then applied Bondo to the spots that needed it, which by the way were quite a few. I then sanded that down and applied some more Bondo and sanded that down, and then I repeated that like 2,000 times. After that, I cleaned the whole van to make it ready for masking. I didn't do too much masking because I wasn't really concerned about overspray and I wasn't that afraid of getting paint in the wrong places. The only places I really didn't want to get paint was the engine, the dash, and the wheels. With that down, it's finally time to start applying some primer, and that is where we are right now. I will use this 2-component primer from Mipa. They're not a sponsor, but I have used their products in the past and I have had great results. Plus, they're made in Germany and their Swedish dealer are really nice and super helpful, so it feels really good to use their products. I'm not sure how much of the actual painting process I will film. The footage usually ends up being pretty crappy and you are kind of ruining your camera in the process. Ask me how I know. Anyway, time to get painting. I just finished putting down the primer and I will now let it sit until tomorrow before I start sanding it. And there's actually a drag racing event going on not too far from here, so instead of staying here watching paint dry, I think we should go there and enjoy ourselves. next morning and I just finished sanding the primer. I did go pretty easy on it. I was more concerned on not sanding through the primer rather than getting a super duper smooth finish. I'm not aiming for a show quality paint job, I just want something that is good enough. I want to take this van on all kinds of adventures and places, and I just can't have a nice paint job standing in the way of that. I would rather have an amazing time than having an amazing paint job. Alright, less rambling and more painting. I guess you have already seen on the thumbnail that the van will be yellow. I don't know what it is with me and yellow vehicles, I guess that color just speaks to me. And I am super sorry to everyone out there who hates yellow. I know some of you do, and I promise you this will be my last yellow build. Unless my next build is actually a little monkey bike that can go with the van. It would be pretty awesome to have a van and a matching monkey bike, am I right? So if anyone out there has a monkey bike project that they need to get rid of, I'm your man. Anyway, the color I have chosen to go with is called Wheatland Yellow. It's an old GM color. I just love it when a color both looks good and has a history. The fact that this is an original GM color, even though these vans were never shipped with it, makes it a bit more special in my book. You know what? I think I will stop recording right now and I will see you all tomorrow when the van is hopefully fully yellow. Alright. Alright, it's a new morning. Are you ready to see the results? Hell, I don't even know if I'm ready to see the result. Well, here we go. Alright. Look at that. That is one yellow van. Yeah, man. All right, let's get this masking tape off so we can see it for real. There's actually one more thing that needs painting, and that's this floor. But I will do that with some regular lacquer and a brush. I think I will actually end this video right here. And moving forward, I would like to make these videos a bit shorter but more frequent. You see, in about 2 weeks, I will be visiting some friends and I have promised that I will bring the van and that I will sleep in it. And I made that promise like 6 months ago. Back then, I really didn't know how much work this would be. But now, here I am. In 2 weeks, I need to have this van back on the road. And it's not like the van will be totally ready by then, but it has to drive and it has to sleep 2 people. Wish me luck. But right now, I think we should take a moment and enjoy the fact that the van is actually painted. Let's go take a look at it. Thank you for watching and I see you later. Bye!